Welcome to Paul McWhorter's solution for homework number 6 for the Pico W series. Here we have the green LED on, and you can see in the recording of the screen that we're about 53. Okay, so if I bring that up to 79 or close to it, then I'll try to use this pot here. Let me bring it up. I'm bringing it the wrong way. Let's bring it down. I mean up. I was bringing it down. And we'll go to right around 79. And there you go. You see the LED for the yellow. So you can see it's real sensitive. If I just go right, there you go. It's right on the edge now. And now if I go a little higher, it'll cover that yellow LED. And it's set up so that if it's 79 or less, it'll be green. If it's anything greater than 79, up to and including 94, then it will be yellow. And so if we keep going up and get on that cusp of 94, very sensitive, there we go, we see it. I'm going to see if I can get it to blink back and forth with the red. Let's see, just need to go up a little more. There we go. It's a little hair trigger, right? Could put a deadband in there if we wanted, but there you go. So you can see it goes up to 94 and it works. Now the one thing I want to talk about is that Paul went through how to calculate this this range for the LED. So I've built this code here, which takes all the math out. You don't have to calculate all that stuff like he does to calculate your slope, calculate your B or your y-intercept. I already got it. So basically, you just put in your ranges and use this code. You'll calculate your B, you'll calculate your M, and then the value will be computed by M times your analog read value plus the B that we're calculating. So basically, I've parameterized all the stuff he's done, and you never have to calculate it again. If you capture this code and use it in your code, it'll work every time. And then you just have to change whatever analog read you're getting, where that's coming from. And my code's in there. You could see it. If you want to understand the math that he explained, go to Let's Calculate Something, the link that's in the description. You'll see it, and that will be that'll be more helpful, and you'll understand really what's behind this. So hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you on the next video. I'll be doing number 7 anytime now.